Hello guys, welcome to another simple tutorial video, and this is a very useful video for you guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download any videos from Twitter. So follow my step-by-step process, and it is very easy and simple. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Twitter account, and as you guys know that Twitter does not allow you to download any videos directly from this website. So I'm going to search a video and find the video that I want to download, and I want to download this video. In here you can see the option share icon here. Just click that share icon, and you can see the option copy link. Just copy that link. So now all you have to do is go to any browser that you like, and I'm going to use Chrome. Just go there and search Twitter video downloader and go, and here you can see the see an website called SS Twitter, and I am going to use this website. You can use any website from the search history. I think they all do the same word, but SS Twitter is a good website for me. Just click that website, and here you can see the option insert link. All you have to do is paste the link that you copied. Just paste here and click the option download here. And as you can see, I have a lot of resolution that I can download to, and also can convert this video to MP3. I'm going to download this resolution. Just click that. As you can see, my download file has been downloaded already, and in this way you can download any videos from Twitter pretty easily. And this is a video, and I hope this video helps you, and feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on another video.